MI-427 vehicle laptop mount installation. There are multiple mounting options available depending on the configurations in your vehicle. Choose the step which best suits your needs for your vehicle. Loosen or remove the seat mounting bolt in the desired location. Lift the seat and slide the open end of the horizontal mounting bracket under the seat so that it is fully aligned with the hole or seated against the existing bolt. Reinstall the seat bolt and tighten until secure. Adjust the angle by releasing the handle. Once set, close the handle tightly. Adjust the angle by loosening the knob. Once set, retighten the knob. Use the locking handle to attach the arm to the mounting base. Align the joint on the laptop tray to the joint at the end of the arm assembly and connect them together using the knob. Insert the handle into the hole located below the front of the platform and tighten. Loosen the handle to readjust the angle of the panel once set and retighten. From the rear of the laptop tray, temporarily remove two outer hand knobs. Reattach the hand knobs to the laptop screen supports as shown here. Connect the stabilizing arm to the stabilizing arm base using the provided bolt and tighten the bolt by hand only. Connect the stabilizing arm assembly to the middle of the laptop arm assembly as shown here using the stabilizing arm U-brackets and the provided bolts. Tighten by hand only. The bolt hole on the end of the stabilizing arm should be placed between the bolt holes on the U-brackets with the provided bolt passing through and securing all three parts. To lengthen or shorten the stabilizing arm as needed, twist the two ends of the poles until it unlocks. Slide it to the appropriate length and twist it in the opposite direction to lock it in place. The stabilizing arm base can be secured in place using the provided adhesive pads on the end of the bracket. The stabilizing arm base can be secured in place using the provided self-tapping screws. Insert the laptop. Loosen the knobs and pull the clamping mechanisms out to their maximum width. Position the clamps snugly to hold the laptop and retighten the knobs. Connect the cooling fan to the USB port of your computer.